How to install update NVIDIA Graphics Driver version 596.49 on PC. Clean install. App issue: old, corrupted, or outdated NVIDIA graphics drivers causing crashes, lag, or performance problems. Step 1. Check your NVIDIA GPU model. Press Windows X and open Device Manager. Expand the Display Adapters section. Note your NVIDIA graphics card model. Step 2. Download NVIDIA Driver 596.49. Open your web browser. Visit the official NVIDIA Driver download page. Download version 596.49 for your GPU and Windows version. Step 3. Close background applications. Close games and editing software. Disable overlays and recording apps. Save all important work before installation. Step 4. Uninstall old NVIDIA drivers. Open Control Panel, Programs and Features. Remove old NVIDIA Graphics Driver packages. Restart your PC after uninstalling. Step 5. Launch the NVIDIA installer. Open the downloaded driver setup file. Allow administrator permissions if prompted. Wait for installer files to extract fully. Step 6. Choose Custom Installation. Select Custom Advanced Installation option. Click Next to continue setup. Avoid Express Install for a cleaner update. Step 7. Perform a clean install. Check the Perform a Clean Installation box. Let the installer remove old settings automatically. Continue with the installation process. Step 8. Install required components. Install graphics driver and PhysX system software. Skip unnecessary optional features if desired. Wait until installation completes fully. Step 9. Restart your computer. Reboot your PC after driver installation. Allow Windows to load new driver settings. Check if screen resolution and refresh rate are normal. Step 10. Verify driver installation. Open NVIDIA Control Panel or GeForce Experience. Confirm driver version shows 596.49. Test games or applications for stability and performance.